half a century of anime history meets Swiss watchmaking. Today, we're looking at the new Tissot PRX Grendizer 50th Anniversary Special Edition, a bold black PVD chronicle of Go Nagai's legendary space hero. Tissot's PRX is already an icon. Born in the 1970s and revived in 2021, its integrated sports design has become a fan favorite. In 2024, Tissot surprised us with a glowing blue-dial tribute to UFO robot Grendizer. Now, the 50th anniversary edition pushes things even further. Darker, bolder, and limited to just 1,975 pieces. Housed in the familiar 40mm PRX case, the entire watch is coated in black PVD, leaning into a retro-futurist look that fuses Swiss precision with Japanese sci-fi. Water-resistant to 100 meters and topped with sapphire crystal, it's built to wear every day. The dial, pure drama. Grendizer's sculptural pose explodes across the surface, engraved with layered textures and glowing superluminova details that light up yellow in the dark. Even the golden seconds hand is shaped like his double Harken weapon. Around the bezel, special 1975 engravings complete the tribute. Inside, the dependable Powermatic 80 caliber delivers 80 hours of power reserve and Nivacron anti-magnetism. Flip it over, and you'll find another Grendizer image engraved on the rotor, plus an individual number out of 1,975. The black PVD PRX bracelet with quick release makes this edition just as versatile as it is striking. And it arrives in a UFO Spacer-inspired capsule with exclusive Go Nagai artwork, a collector's dream. The Tissot PRX Grendizer 50th Anniversary Special Edition is priced at 895 Swiss francs or 1,095 euros, a perfect blend of nostalgia, design, and Swiss engineering. But act fast, only 1,975 pieces exist.